Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to use the white overlay and also the hexagonal zoom transition to create a shake effect to your edits. So first, you need to click on the transition box and add the hexagonal zoom. On the blur section here, find the hexagonal, where is it? Okay, this one, and adjust it to 0.2 seconds. Okay, click on a check icon. Now go to the overlay and add a white overlay from the stock videos. Okay, this one, click on add. Put it in between the clip and trim it to 0.4 seconds. Okay, put it in here and then add 3 keyframes on the overlay. At the beginning, set the intensity to 30, and then on the second keyframe, 100, then on the last keyframe, make it 0. Then choose blend and click on overlay. Now fit the size, so it will go like this. And after that, in the between the first and second keyframe, go to grabs, then select the ease out to grabs. Then for the last 2 keyframe, ease out 1. Okay, so now it's done, and now your video will look like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, and click on thanks. Bye.